Hi children, welcome back. Today we will discuss exercise 2.2 question number 5 and question number 6. Now question number 5, what is question number 5? Find 1 by 2 of, the first question is 24 and the second one is 46. So what is the meaning 1 by 2 of, first we have to find 1 by 2 of 24. And I already told you of means what? Of representing multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 24. What is the answer? 1 into 24 is 24 divided by 2. What is the answer? 24 divided by 2. What is the answer? 12. Clear? Okay. Now second part, 1 by 2 of, the question is same, we have to find 1 by 2 of 24 first and we have to find 1 by 2 of 46. 1 by 2 of 46. What does it mean? 1 by 2 of means multiplication, 1 by 2 into 46. So 1 into 46, fraction by a whole number. So 1 into 46 is 46, 46 by 2. Write the same denominator, 46 divided by 2. What is the answer? Do the division, you will get the answer 23. Clear? Now the next question. 2 by 3 of 18 and you have to find 2 by 3 of, first we have to find 2 by 3 of 18 and second part you have to find 2 by 3 of 27. Clear children? Now I already told you of represents multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 18. Either you do the shortcut method of multiplication or multiply it and find out the answer. Whatever it is, no problem. So if it is shortcut method, 18 is a multiple of 3. So divide by 3, what you will get? 6, is it? So what is the answer? 2 into 6 is 12. Okay, if this method is a confusion for you, you multiply it. 18 into 2, what is the answer? 36. 36 divided by 3, what is the answer? 12. Okay. Now the second part, 2 by 3 of means multiplication into 7. Again, 27 is a multiple of 3. So we can divide 1 and here it is 9. Okay. So 9 into 2 is 18. Just go through your shortcut method that you learned in your class 5. Shortcut method. Otherwise you have to do multiplication. So if you are doing shortcut method, you will get the answer directly. Okay. Now the next question. 3 by 4 of 16 you have to find. Then you have to find 3 by 4 of 36. Okay. Then first part, 3 by 4 into 16. 16 is a multiple of 4. So we can divide it by 4. 4 divided by 4, what is the answer? 1. 16 divided by 4, what is the answer? 4. So what is the answer? 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. Again, 3 by 4 into 36. 36 is a multiple of 4. So divide by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 36 divided by 4, 9. So what is the answer you got? 27. Clear children? Otherwise you do the multiplication. 36 into 3. Do the multiplication and divide by 4. You will get the same answer. Okay, here also 16 into 3 divided by 4. 16 into 3, multiply it, then you divide it, you will get the same answer. Okay. The next question. 4 by 5 of 20 and we have to find 4 by 5 of 35. Okay. Then 4 by 5 into 20. Either you do the shortcut method or multiplication. Whatever it is, no problem. 20 into 4, what is the answer? 80. 80 divided by 5. 20 into 4 is 80. 80 divided by 5. What is the answer? Do the division. 80 divided by 5. What is the answer? You will get 1 time 5, 3, 0, 6, 30, 0. Okay, what is the answer you got? 16. If you are doing by shortcut method also, you will get the same answer. Just write 4 by 5 into 20. 20 is a multiple of 5. So divide by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 20 divided by 5, 4. So 4 4s are 16. Instead of doing the division, you will get the answer directly. Okay, so just go to the shortcut method. Okay, then the next question. 4 by 5 of means multiplication into 35. 35 is a multiple of 5. So we can divide it by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 35 divided by 5 is 7. So 7 into 4, what is the answer? 28. Clear, children? Hope these questions are clear for everyone. Just practice the shortcut method one more time. Otherwise, do the multiplication and do the division and find out the final answer. Okay? Then move to the next question. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. I already told you, if a mixed fraction is there in your question, first you convert it into improper fraction. So what is the first step? 3 into this is a mixed number. So convert it into improper fraction. 5 5s are 5 into 5 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26 by 5. Clear? Then 26 into 3, what is the answer? 26 into 3, what is the answer? 6 3s are 18, carry over 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the answer you got? 78 by 5. 5 into 6 3 by 4. 6 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. So you convert it into improper fraction. 6 into 4, 24 plus 3, 27 by 4. Okay. Then fraction multiplication by a whole number. So what you have to do? Multiply the numerator. 27 into 5. What is the answer? 5 7s are 35. Carry over 3. 2s are 10. 13. What is the answer you got? 135. And write the same denominator. 135 by 4. Answer is an improper fraction. So what you have to do? You have to do division and find out the mixed number. 135 divided by 4. What is the answer? 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 2, 1. 5. Then again 4 3s are 12. Remainder 3. Okay. So what is the answer? Quotient, remainder by divisor. Clear for everyone? Now move to the next question. 7 into 2, 1 by 4. Again 7 into mixed number, convert it into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. 7 into 9, what is the answer? 63 divided by 4. So what is the answer you got? 63 divided by 4. 1 4s are 4. Again remainder, bring down 5. 20. What is the answer you got? 3. So what is the final answer? Quotient, remainder by divisor. Clear, children? Now mark the homework questions. Do these questions. It will be more clear for you. Mixed number, convert it into improper fraction. Then only you find out the answer. Okay. Mark the homework questions and do it. Hope these topics are clear. That's all for today. Thank you, children.